Hi, I'm Dan Crone. I'm the project manager and maintenance manager here at Express Packaging. I have the brand new Domino Ax350i. It's our newest printer and I'm very happy with it.
I'm Fred Hartzler. I own Express Packaging. I'm the president of Express Packaging. We're a contract packager for Fortune 500 companies, Fortune 100 companies. We offer them flexibility that they maybe couldn't have in their own plants. We're SQF Level 3 audited. That's the highest quality standard you can get for handling open food products. But it's just as important that those codes are very clear on the package for the customer that we service and the customer that purchases the product. And we trust only Domino with that.
One of the things that I really like about the AX, our operators are all very familiar with the touchscreens on the other equipment. So we brought this piece of equipment in. It literally took minutes to train them on how to adjust their code date.
My job when I come in the morning is go to the Domino printer and I have to put my date code in. In just a couple minutes I was up and running with the touchpad. It was very, very easy.
Domino presented me with the opportunity to have a relax program, which means I pay them a rental or a lease fee on their products and then help me maintain those products. I have no downtime with the coders. So I'm using the latest equipment, and that's why we've installed Domino products in our plants.
All right, so here's our electrical and fluid cabinet for our AX350i. Inside it's very clean. The consumables are RFID coded. It makes it impossible to put the wrong fluid in.
Although we were very happy with what we had, we instantly wanted to try the new product because every time Domino comes out with something new, we find it to be even better than what we're currently using. And this new printer that we've put in has proven to be that. It saves us money, it runs faster for us, and we have clearer print. We've used other suppliers in times past, but no one has equaled the production that a Domino printer puts out and the service that the Domino technicians back it up with.